Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some drizzle and light rain out there this morning. Going to see that continue through at least the mid-afternoon hours today. And then we'll see a transition to some wintry type precipitation with some mix expected towards the evening hours, and then all snow by the mid-evening hours into the overnight hours across the Wallops region, with the accumulation expected anywhere from about 2 to 4 inches across the Wallops region. So looks like a little bit more than was expected yesterday across the area, as the best precipitation rates and cold air moving down the region will be over the Wallops region. So looking like could have some slipperier roads out there for our Thursday night into Friday morning. Looking at our current surface analysis, we have a area of high pressure of Arctic origin that's kind of nosing down into the Mid-Atlantic region this morning, seeing some snowfall across northern Maryland, anywhere from about 3 to 6 inches across that area last night. We'll see this area low pressure currently across the Tennessee Valley move up into our region this afternoon into the evening hours, and that's going to give us our next best chance of seeing that transition from rain to snow. So looking at our current observation, some low ceilings out there around 500 feet with a broken deck at 500, overcast deck at 1800. 4-mile visibility, light rain with some mist as well. Seeing our wind out of the northeast at 11 knots, temperature 38 degrees, and relative humidity at 100%. So taking a look at our current radar imagery across the region, you can see we do have a band of mixed precipitation to the north, as well as some snowfall, seeing some moderate snow over Dover this morning, seeing just some light rainfall across our region. Looks like the rain-snow line is running west to east or east to west through about the northern portion of the Delmarva, through Easton, and then across towards Washington, D.C. You can see this precipitation off to the west starting to move into central Virginia, and that's going to be associated with our next area low pressure or disturbance moving into the region. That's going to give us that chance of some wintry precipitation tonight. So taking a look at the 3-kilometer NAM model, it shows those rain showers moving off the coast for the late morning into the early afternoon hours. Could see a break in the rainfall, possibly just some drizzle lingering across that time period. Here's 2 o'clock this afternoon. You can see that rain-snow line starting to move down towards Salisbury by that time period, around 2 to 3 o'clock this afternoon. And then we should see kind of a lull in the precipitation, as the 3-kilometer NAM is showing here. May not be as long as it's showing on this model, but expecting probably a 2 to 3 hour period where we don't see much precipitation across the region this afternoon, mainly from about noon to 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon. Then we'll see that snowfall build in after about 6 to 7 o'clock across the peninsula, and it looks like our best chance of seeing any moderate snowfall will be after midnight till about 4 a.m., and that's the time where we have the best setup for seeing that heavier precipitation in the form of snowfall. And that'll continue to last through the overnight hours. Looks like that snowfall should end by about 4 to 5 o'clock in the morning. The 3-kilometer NAM here kind of keeps the precipitation here a little bit longer. I do expect it to end as some freezing drizzle across the region tomorrow morning, and could be seeing a few flurries throughout the morning hours or a continuing freezing drizzle across the area. So not very good for the roadways tomorrow morning across the area. So looking at our risk chart for today, we're going to have rain likely throughout the day today, and then snow likely this evening. We'll see a high this morning around 38 to 39 degrees. We'll see those temperatures quickly drop to 33 to 32 degrees once that snowfall starts this evening, and then seeing a low tonight of 30 with that moderate snowfall moving in. Tomorrow morning could be seeing some freezing drizzle, as I mentioned. Overall, our best chances of snowfall will come between 8 p.m. and 4 a.m. on Friday. So 8 p.m. Thursday to 4 a.m. on Friday. And looks like the best chances of rainfall are this morning, and then continued chances for the afternoon. Have those low ceilings around 500 feet throughout the remainder of the day today into the overnight hours. And we're going to see winds possibly gusting up near 25 knots, with the best chance of that occurring after about 8 o'clock this evening till about midnight. As I mentioned, our total snowfall accumulation will be around 2 to 4 inches with this system across the Wallops region. So looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, going to see those low ceilings in here throughout the day today. Should see those ceilings possibly rise up to about 1,000 feet after about 1,600 local. Before that, just seeing anywhere from about 800 to 500 feet, possibly down to 400 feet at times. Overnight, we'll see that possibility of about a half a mile visibility with some moderate snowfall after about 10 o'clock, and should see that until about 4 o'clock in the morning. By tomorrow morning, could see some freezing drizzle in here, a slight chance we see some snow and some sleet mixing in at times for tomorrow morning. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking at Friday and Saturday. Friday, overcast, a chance of freezing drizzle during the morning, then remaining cloudy with a slight chance of drizzle during the afternoon. We'll see a high of 35 degrees, so a cold day across the region on Friday. We'll see there's precipitation chances around 25%, and also a chance of those low ceilings during the morning. Friday night, overcast with a slight chance of freezing drizzle once again, a low of 31. And for Saturday, cloudy with rain showers likely by the afternoon, breezy with a high of 40. We'll see those rain showers near 100% by the mid-afternoon to early evening hours on Saturday. Winds will be close to 25 knots out of the north-northeast or northeast on Saturday as well. And could see the ceilings below 500 feet once that rain moves in. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I'm back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.